Good evening, my name is Vansh, student of MBA second semester. Today I am representing a topic from business research method, that is research process. Now start. Step 1. Identify the problem. The research problem should be identified clearly. A well-defined research problem is crucial for fulfilling the requirement of a research study. In this step, all the aspects of related to the research problem are identified, after which a problem statement is formulated. Now, step 2, that is reviving literature. In this process or in this step, a research is to analyze the available literature related to the research area. Available literature allow the researcher to analyze the previously researches that have been published by different researchers in that field. Often literature survey provide data accumulated during a certain period of. Step 3, selecting research objectives and hypotheses. Under this process or under this stage is to set the research objective. Research objective identify or are defined in clear terms help the researcher to proceed in certain direction. While while defining researcher objective objectives, the researcher should be always remember that these should be comprehensive as well as attainable. Step 4, choosing the study design. Under this step, research process is developing the research design. Research design allow the researcher to answer to the research question in an accurate, economical, and objective manner. With the help of research design, a researcher is able to decide the necessary tasks to perform at each step of the researcher. Next step, that is choosing the study design. Under this under this step, to select the sample design set a platform for effective data collection and analysis. A sample design is responsible for the effective selection of research sample. Designing of sample include many important decisions such as deciding the sample frame, selecting suitable sampling techniques, determining sample size, etc. Next step is deciding on the sample design. Under this, in the beginning of the research process, a basic idea about a research problem is developed with the help of available knowledge. After the research problem is formulated, data collection is performed systematically. The next step is collection of data. Under this, under this data, we the collected data are analyzed. Data analysis is very essential to draw out the required information from the raw data by making it organized and meaningful. Through data collection provide a lot of raw data, but these data are unorganized in nature. Next step is processing and analyzing data. Under this, by analyzing data are organized in such a manner that it provides meaningful answer. For example, response of a survey may be compared to know the number of individuals attending the survey as well as the approaches used by respondents to answer certain questions. Analyzed data can be visualized with the help of graphs, charts, tables, etc. The graphical representation of data allow the researchers to and rearrange the data so as minimize the effort put by the readers in researching the significant information. Now, the last step is writing the report. The final step of research process is the preparation of research report. After collection, after collecting analysis and interpreting the data, the next task is to complete all the steps. The next task is to compile all the steps and present those phases in a written form. It includes sample design, tools for data collection, and statically techniques for the analysis of the collection of data or of the collected of data. Thank you.